Bonjour les enfants. Aujourd'hui c'est mercredi. Today is Wednesday. Et aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre le vocabulaire. Today is the day where you are going to get to learn the new vocabulary and practice it. I need you to be active in this video. I need you to repeat after me the words that I pronounce. Okay? Remember, this week we want to describe martien, Martians. On y va. This is all the vocabulary that we're going to use this week, okay? But we're going to take them one part after another. First of all, question for you. Why have I got different colors here for these different body parts? So why are some of them in pink, some in blue, some in green? Pause the video for a little thinking time and play again for the answer. Well, because in French, we have genders, masculine or feminine, for everything. Everything. Tables, fork, knife, hand, leg, everything has a gender. Everything is either feminine or masculine. It doesn't matter who owns it. Because, for example, I'm a girl, but my nose is masculine. Okay? So, that's something very important for you to remember, that everything has a gender. So, body parts here, I'm going to say them, repeat after me. We're going to start with the feminine ones. Une jambe. Une jambe. Une bouche. Une bouche. Oh, I forgot to say what they mean. Sorry. Une jambe is a leg. Une bouche is a mouth. Une main. Une main. A hand. Une jambe. Oh, again, sorry, my mistake. I've put it twice. Remember what une jambe is? It's a leg. Une dent. A tooth that you have in your bouche. Tooth that you have in your mouth. Une oreille. Une oreille. An ear. To listen. An ear. Une oreille. Now, moving on to the masculine one. I could say them in a man voice, but I can't. So let's just keep it as it is. Un visage. Un visage. A face. Un nez. Un nez. A nose. Un pied. Un pied. A foot. Un bras. Un bras. An arm. Un œil. Funny word, this one, huh? It's an O with an E stuck to it, and then an I. And these whole three letters makes the sound E. Here with the L. Un œil is an eye. Just one. Now, the green color. What do you think they're for? What do you think? There's a different color here. Look at this. Pause the video for some thinking time. Play again for the answer. But green is for plural, when there is more than one. So usually, thankfully, we have more than one hair on our head. So we have des cheveux. Des cheveux. Hair. Des yeux. Des yeux. Eyes. So un œil is one eye, but des yeux is more than one. Isn't it funny how we've got two different words for the same body parts? Okay, moving on. Numbers, you know them, I know you know them, but let's just go through them again because we're going to need them in this lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. Question for you. A little math question for you. Une question de maths. What is 3 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5. I've asked you 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. Now, next one. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 égale 7. Okay, moving on. We will need colors in this lesson. And colors for what? To describe what your Martian looks like. To describe if he's green, yellow, purple, whatever color he is. But also, he maybe he's purple, but he might also have yellow ears. So in French, we put the color after the thing that we describe. For example, let's pick, what body part we're going to pick? We're going to take une dent, okay? A tooth. We want to describe a tooth and we want to say that it's orange, okay? So we are going to say une dent orange, okay? So in English, we would normally say an orange tooth, but in French, we say a tooth orange. Remember that when you describe your Martian, please, okay? The color go after. Now, this is your little grammar moment. Grammar is understanding how the language works, because in every language, there is a different way. It's like cars. They have different engine, they got different mechanism, and so same with language. They work differently. So in French, if you have more than one thing, so let's use the body parts again. If you have more than one foot, okay, then it's very, 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 very important to make sure you add an S, not only at the end of the word foot, pied, not only at the end of the word foot, but also at the end of the adjective, the describing words that describe the foot. I know this is very strange. It's like you're saying in English, I have 2 black foots. You would say I've got 2 black feet, but in French you say 2 black foots. So, well, actually you said 2 foots blacks. So here, as you can see, I've used 3 here, 3. You know, we're talking about Martians, so we might as well give them 3 feet. So 3 pieds noirs. It's not over yet. Yes, French language has so many little secrets that you need to discover. If my body part is a feminine, so if it's one of the pink one here, then when we describe it, we need to add an E at the end of the color. Here, for example, here my example is 3 black teeth. So because dent is feminine, I had to make sure that I added an E at the end of black. But also because there is more than one, there's 3, I needed to make sure I added an S as well. So we have to take into account all these different things. Is my word feminine? Yes, if it is, I add an E at the end of the describing words. Here the color. Is my word, am I using more than one of these body parts? If so, then I need to add an S at the end of not only the word itself, but the color. I know there is a lot of things for you to think about here, and you might want to watch this video a couple of times, this part where I explain it to you, just to make sure it's understood. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you here, try to digest all of this, and I will see you tomorrow for different activities. Oh, and remember, you can come to our drop-in sessions every day, so I can explain that to you again if needed. ok? Au revoir, you two. Have fun learning all of this.